I loved it. In fact, some of my students that had not been engaged really, like, when I looked at her comments, like, she was like, I really felt heard, and she was like, I want to choose well, which was something that she hadn't been doing, hadn't been engaged, was very frustrated with everything, not just school. And so to see her be excited about something was pretty cool. So I think they love that. I don't do my oh yeah nearly as good as you do. I did totally try, but I think just that concept of you need to choose well, and you can, like you can do this. And for me, it's given me some of that vocabulary, like consistent of, hey, choose well. This is, you're making a choice. And they have responded to that. I think because you made it seem really cool. So then when I just follow up with it, then I'm kind of cool with that too. So.